Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp chat. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To back up your WhatsApp chat, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The home page of WhatsApp with the chat list will appear on the screen. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. List of options will pop up on the screen. Click on Settings. Tap on Chat option. Scroll all the way down and click on Chat Backup and then on Backup. This is how you can back up your WhatsApp chat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.